Hey everybody, it's Lynn from A Bit of Birdsong. I'm putting some really pretty pieces of lace into this huge supply book that I have. And this is one that I made for myself to just keep track of laces and bits of white fabric, muslin, things like that. Now I do have larger pieces that wouldn't go in here. And this thing is so big at this point, I've wondered about making a second one to kind of break things down. And you've seen this before. I have different tags here. Flat, plain, cotton is this first one. And I do have a few things to go in like this. And it basically just sits in a stack, all of this, the white cotton there. This is candle wicking. I don't really have any candle wicking to add. Patterned and embroidered pieces. I think I will just, oh, that's going to go under the gauze. I'll come back to this. And doily pieces. I do have some for that. That can go in there. Well, actually, look. That's a patterned piece. It can go right there. That's kind of gauzy as well. Maybe actually I will put that with the gauze. And I think I have, maybe most of the rest of this is lace for right now. I'm cleaning up in the shop. Oh my goodness, I have so much in here. So here are trim pieces. And I definitely have some of that. Let's just lay these in the book so I know where to find them. This is kind of a big piece here. It's a very big piece. And here is more. I just recently purchased this. Isn't it beautiful? I might just leave that on the card. We have that. And there's more trim. Even as full as this is, it does help me to keep track of things. We have satin gauze. So let's put this in here and this. I love that. That goes in there. And back in the back, we do have canvas. I have some canvas I need to put in here. Oh my goodness, let me, I might wait on that because I have a huge stack of trim to go through. And that's the very back of it. So let's get back into this stack. This is not really plain white cotton. I would think of this more as maybe a patterned piece. So I'll put this right here. That can go with it. That's really more trim. So let's find that tab and put this in here. That's another trim piece. Pull this to the side. And this can go in the front. The cotton. That's really pretty. I've got these couple of little dresses. I don't know that I should put them in there. And that's just a strip of fabric. Pull the string off here. This can lay right in the front with the plain cotton. Oh, look at that. Isn't that pretty? All of that grunge. That's great. Let's put that there. And put this here, and that's kind of a satin piece. Let's just go ahead and put that there. And then that's kind of patterned. I'll put that there. So even though this is huge and might look like a mess, I can find things quickly with this. I will be back to work on some more things.